Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video, I know we just done one, but we're doing one again for you boys and girls. Because you guys show complete respect to us, so we're going to show respect to you guys. So in this video, we're going to be playing the Let's Play again. And if you guys didn't check out the video, like the Lumber Tycoon video, we said we'd do a challenge. I'm not going to say it in this video because you guys are going to go check out that one. So, as soon as we turned off, I went to go look for some wood. I go look for some wood. I fall into a cave. In this cave, we have found 25 pieces of iron. I feel like there's going to be more iron. Yeah, Wolf Boy, I need some food. Because I'm dying. I spy with my little... For a minute, I thought someone was shooting me, but no. I'll die and then I'll go back home, so it's okay. Whoa. If I find diamonds now, I'll literally cry. Because we are pretty far down in this cave. Is this ice? Well, I'll go into it then. We might find something. Wolf, I can't find any dark oak. Really good. That's spruce. Can you try help me find some dark oak?
No, very forward.
Yeah, I've been looking for dark oak.
I'm on my house.
It's not dark oak. It's spruce for the last time. So what if I looked into your eyes? Why are you some kind of Bloody Mary type person? Don't look into my eyes.
Don't Bloody Mary, I will kill you.
Yes! 2 ender pearls I've got now.
Okay. We both got 2, so that's good.
And if you didn't see the last video that we did on this, make sure to go check it out, because it was really good. We ended up finding diamonds, and if you didn't see the first one we ever did on this world, make sure to check it out. I'd watch it episode by episode, because then you
no spoiler. Found 20 diamonds.
Yep.
I know, it sounds like we're cheating, but we seriously won't.
And you guys can even go check it out and see. Yeah, my spawn point just broke, but I can put it back. We need to find some Wolf Boy, we're so dumb.
What?
We should have picked up the lava while we still had it.
Okay.
Because there's water in that cave. Are you in bed, Wolf Boy?
Yeah. Can't wait for the next update.
I know. This update's been great with the Adventure Time, and all they need to do is add...
Next update's gonna have shields.
I know.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping the next one is sealed. That's the only way this game can be great.
And you can colour the shields yourself.
Yeah, I know. When you have a seal, like...
Did they make a wolf banner pattern? Oh, wolf shield, baby.
Wolf shield! Wolf Boy will be jumping, man. You know, I think you can smelt your armor and turn it into ingots. What about diamond ingots? I wish you could make iron apples now.
They'll probably add it up.
What would you do if they added fidget spinners to the game?
Oh, you can smelt iron boots. That's spare iron boots and smelting them.
Oh, I have spare helmet.
The iron boot gives me an iron nugget. One iron nugget.
Stop, you know. I want to see what a helmet does. Helmet gave me 1.
This is your preferred.
What can you even do with them?
Yeah, what can you do with ingots?
Make iron bars.
Oh.
Like gold bars.
So, what do I need? There was something what came on the crafting table what I needed. Then I needed to check it out. A door?
Oh yeah, we need to make arm stands, don't we?
Yeah. So I've got some iron. I'm gonna make an iron door.
Most of my cookies there now.
Yeah, I'm gonna make an iron door.
Do you want to come and see my progress?
One sec. I've done quite a lot of progress, if I'm honest. Wait.
Okay.
Well, you can make firework stars.
How do you make fireworks?
You go onto the crafting table, then you go where banners you can make, and then like just go down from there. So are you joking? I seriously need to smelt stone.
Now all that's done.
Yeah, if you do have an Xbox, I highly doubt it though. Could you just please, if you want to, you can actually just go on Xbox One if you have one, as a friend, send us a message like say hello and stuff like that, and we'll try it. We'll go to you, and maybe you can do a video.
All you need to say, just say in the comments, like not in the comments. I mean like how you send us a message and just say.
Or if you're going to get, or if you're actually going to get one for Christmas.
Just like send us a message and say, hi, I'm one of your fans. And then, yeah, that's all you need to do. And I'm trying to think of something. Like, I'm going to try to do a giveaway soon. Because I really want.
We could give that away.
No one wants a toxic waste.
Yeah.
And
Everyone does.
Who gives away toxic waste? Me? Anyone in the right mindset.
Toxic. Toxic waste gives away toxic waste.
Right, I need sand.
Get it?
Yeah, I need sand now. Wolfboy, make the party invite only because I feel like someone's about to go on. Get off the chair. Huh?
I should be going. I'm going to go in about 2 minutes. It's already past 3 o'clock.
Oh. Just here for when your parents shout for
Stay on
you.
as long as I can.
Just shout for when your parents you can go. Just listen for when your parents shout. So now I've got more things. Now let's
When
do
will
this.
you be on?
Probably soon. Let's think what I can make. I'm looking around my room. I could make a Pokeball, but there's no glue.
Pikachu.
Alright,
The Etihad.
Yeah, I can make the Etihad. Get off the chair.
The city badge.
I just said I can't make that. I think I know what I'm gonna do. No. You know that Wolf Boy like only just found out that City was an
Can I?
actual football team. I literally can't believe that you literally only found out about that a few days ago. Yeah.
Come up here.
One sec. Whoa, I just saw you flying. Have you got like some feather falling boots or something?
No.
Let me just sort this out and then I'll come.
Theodore, you are not playing football in the house, are you? No. What can I hear banging about then?
I don't know.
You need to go and put your gun away and go and put your can of
Okay,
drink
come on,
in.
Matthew, quickly. I have to go now. Come on.
Okay. Just come from the window. Where are you? So I should probably do a video on Mumba. Or maybe not, I don't know. So what time will you be back? Because
Okay, down the hatch.
wow. Did you make me pick all this up?
No. You just walked on it before my help. Okay, could you... I have to go now. Take care.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Of course we're going to have to end it there because Wolf Boy's going. If you liked it, make sure to smash the like button. So we guys will see you later. Bye. Subscribe if you're new.